In order to calculate a loaded aircraft's center of gravity, we first need to know the aircraft's center of gravity when it is empty. As each aircraft is unique, we need to do this individually. An aircraft may go through this process multiple times in its life to account for upgrades, repairs, and even fresh paint. To do this, we need to weigh the aircraft. You want to time the weighing so that the aircraft comes in after a nice long flight. This way, the fuel tanks are as low as possible. Inevitably, there will be some fuel left within the system, but this is accounted for by manufacturers in the empty aircraft weight under required equipment. Similarly, engine oil is also used and refueled, but is difficult to remove, and so is also categorized as required equipment. The airplane flight manual is also on board while weighing, as it is required during operation. Up to a certain size, where some methods become impractical, there are two ways to measure an aircraft's weight. First, we could roll the aircraft onto a set of scales and measure the weight at each landing gear location. Alternatively, we can jack the aircraft up off the ground and measure the weight at each jack location using load cells. The sum of each load cell reading gives us our empty weight. Each jack location is given by an aircraft manufacturer. We multiply this location by the weight at each jack point, and we get the moment of that jack point about the datum. Sum the moments, and then divide it by the total aircraft empty weight, and you get the empty aircraft's center of gravity.